Hi viewers, welcome back to Ready Power. In this video, I am talking about the best and worst cooking oil for health. The best cooking oil for health are typically those high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and canola oil. They contain beneficial fatty acids that can help improve cholesterol level and reduce the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, the worst cooking oils for health are often those high in saturated and trans fat such as palm oil and coconut oil. These fats can raise cholesterol level and increase the risk of heart disease when consumed in excess.